Hey guys, this is HP Laserjet M140WE. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print. This printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, and what I want to do is to show you how to scan your document. To scan the document, you need to open up the scanner glass and stick the document you want to scan. If you want to scan document from this printer, you need to make sure that the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network or is connected using USB cable. But USB cable is not included in the packaging. So now with HP Smart App, then you need to go to printer scan. Select printer scan. You will select the document type, select the paper size as A4 paper. So with this printer, you can scan 3.5 by 5 inch or 4 by 6 or 5 by 7 or later. So we are scanning A4 paper. Once you select the paper, then you go back, then select the source as a glass scanner. If it's a printer that got ADF, then you need to make sure you select the glass scanner or ADF. Okay, then resolution, the maximum is 300 dpi. Okay, then you go back. This printer, you can only scan black here. Okay, then you go back and select document. When you are doing the scan, you need to make sure you select document. If you are scanning photo, then you need to select photo and select scan. Can see, and you need to select also from the HP Smarter, you need to select full. Okay, so that you can capture all the size. If you want to scan the second one, let's assume you want to scan another document. You stick the another document you want to scan again. Face down, close it, then select next. Okay, then the next thing you need to do, if you want to scan the second one, you go on top and select add. Okay, and make sure you select A4 paper and also document, then select scan. And select full. Okay, once you select full, then select next. So this is the 2 pages of document we scan. If you are not happy with it, you select this blue, select it, and click edit, replace, or cancel. Okay, so but I'm happy with these 2 documents we scan. Now this document, you can save this document. Okay, you will see print, preview, share, shortcut, save, or file. So select save. Then you need to, sometimes people ask that they don't know how to save this as PDF. So once you select save, you can also type the date or name the file. Okay, once you name the file, then the next thing is you select image, select PDF, basic PDF, and select save. Then you select the folder. It will ask you, so we are saving this on this phone in the download section. Select save. And this document now is saved. If you want to print this document out, you select share. Now also select basic PDF. Okay, and select share. It will give you an option for you to share this. Then you need to scroll to the side and look for HP Smart App. HP Smart. Select HP Smart and select the printer. Now I will show you this preview. You will see the printer here with a green dot. Then you select how many copies. Okay, I want to print this one. And the next page is page range, all paper, color, black and white. If you want private pickup, then you select paper size A4, orientation automatic. If you scroll to more option, then you select quality, the best quality or normal. Okay, then select fit to page or fill page. Then go back. You also need to make sure you are selecting photo or document, so it's currently in document. Then you go back and select print. on top. Here we go. This is the first one. Very quick. This is the second one. So this is the document we scanned, printed it out. We also saved this document. Now, if you want to share this document to somebody via email, you also need to select share. Then select PDF and select share button. Now you go and look for the email Outlook. Now this document is attached to my email, so you need to type the email address of the recipient. I'm going to send this back to myself. You put the subject hi, select the message hi, and select send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. Pretty much our job here is done. We have been able to save this document, print it out, and share. Then the next thing you need to do, so you go back to home page. If you want to copy this document, you stick this document on the glass scanner. Okay, select copy button. If you want to copy this more than 2, then you need to use up to increase the number. Use this button to increase the number. Okay, so want to copy this 2, then you select copy again. So it will copy this document twice. This is the first one and second one. Okay, so this is how to copy a document from this printer. If you want to see this document we sent to my inbox, then the next thing to do is go to the inbox and check. And the document is here, note to self. So the document is in my inbox. Open it up. This is the document, first and second one. So this is how to scan your document, copy it, print it out. Likewise, share this document. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.